intellectual property system, which is a modern system, we are like using it, or we are like part of that now. Definitely it is not only giving monopoly, it is a balancing the rights. It is a balancing the right of creators and obviously the rights of users, the consumers, the customers, society. So both, when jurisprudential background, the theoretical background, the inception of IP system, if we see that balance is created, that inventor also should get benefited, the concern which is given by that creators, that is exhibitors, and the another concern which is like they given by the society, right. So here what happens when these two, like creators and the society, both the requirements, the interest of both is protected, and that is a intellectual property system of a modern days, right.